Alright, so now we're going to go from explicit to recursive. This is even easier. So again, this is an arithmetic sequence because it's a linear function. The real key to this is right there. That is our common difference. Okay, which means the a sub n in recursive is a sub n minus 1 minus 4. Anytime it's one of these, there you go. If it's arithmetic, that number right there is what you're adding or subtracting every time. Again, this is really easy. This is a constant function, right? Constant. Whenever it's constant like that, then it's a sub n equals a sub n minus 1, and you're finished. And the geometric, this is my r, which is what I worry about. So this is a sub n equals, in this case, 4 times a sub n minus 1, and you're finished. Those should be really simple. As you can tell, this video took even less time, less than 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, we'll see you guys in tutoring. Bye.